Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel GK World. Today we are going to learn about general knowledge quiz. Then let's start the video. The first question is who flies an aeroplane? And the answer is pilot. The second question is who helps sick people? And the answer is nurse. The next question is who grows crops on a farm? And the answer is farmer. The next question is who brings letter to your house? And the answer is postman. The next question is who catches thieves? And the answer is police. The next question is who makes breads and cakes? And the answer is baker. The next question is who fixes car? And the answer is mechanic. The next question is who drives a bus? And the answer is driver. The next question is who writes books? And the answer is author. The next question is who serves food in a restaurant? And the answer is waiter. The next question is who paints pictures? And the answer is artist. The next question is who sings a songs? And the answer is singer. The next question is who puts out fires? And the answer is firefighter. The next question is who designs buildings? And the answer is architect. The next question is who fixes lights and wires? And the answer is electrician. The next question is who fixes teeth? And the answer is dentist. The next question is who travels to space? And the answer is astronaut. The next question is who catches fish? And the answer is fisherman. The next question is who takes photos with a camera? And the answer is photographer. The next question is who fixes shoes? And the answer is cobbler. The next question is who makes furniture? And the answer is carpenter. The next question is who teaches children how to read and write? And the answer is teacher. The next question is who works in a lab and does experiment? And the answer is scientist. The next question is who helps in a court? And the answer is lawyer. The next question is who writes news stories? And the answer is journalist. The next question is who cuts and styles hair? And the answer is barber. The next question is who drives a ship? And the answer is captain. The next question is who cooks food in a restaurant? And the answer is chef. The next question is who makes people laugh with jokes? And the answer is comedian. The next question is who grows flowers and plants? And the answer is gardener. The last question is who takes care of animals in a zoo? And the answer is zookeeper.